Hi, it's Connecticut Personal Injury Attorney Ryan McKeen here. Today I want to talk about a myth that personal injury cases take too long in Connecticut in 2023. And sort of like the answer to this is it's a little bit hard one because cases should only take as long as they need to take. And what do I mean by that? Well, the first thing when you're dealing with the timing of a case is that if you settle a case, you're releasing them for all claims. So if you settle a case in, say, 3 months, you can say, well, it's a fast settlement. But then 2 months later, you find out that you need surgery as a result. Well, guess what? They're off the hook for that surgery because you have released them, which is why insurance companies want you to sign over a release and sign over your rights because they know that in some percentage of cases that's going to happen. If they're off the hook early, they're off the hook for cheap. So basically, one of the big factors in any case is your treatment. You shouldn't settle a case until you're done treating or until you know the significance and severity of your injuries or have a permanency exam or are completely satisfied from your medical providers that you're not going to need any more treatment. You have 2 years from the date of accident generally. Could be some exceptions. Again, look at sometimes it could be as short as 1 year to file a claim. But you absolutely want to make sure that you're done treating within the statute of limitations to have some time. So generally, for a lot of clients, they're going to need, if they're in a car accident, they may need some physical therapy. That's generally going to take 2 to 4 months of physical therapy, a course of it, or chiropractic care. So they're probably going to know about 6 months after a car accident, about when, what their treatment is. Now, sometimes, we've settled cases quickly because the ER bill is so high, the insurance is low. Sometimes we've settled cases in a matter of weeks. Sometimes it takes years to understand this. The biggest thing for you is you should be able to have a lawyer who's not causing your case to take any longer than it need to be, who's answering your questions, who's keeping your case on track, who is filing suit if they need to file suit early, who is monitoring things, who is doing their job. Because sometimes cases can take years. They can be complicated. There can be disputes over what happened. There can be lots of money at stake. It probably shouldn't surprise you that insurance companies don't easily part with their money. So the bigger the case, the sort of longer it's going to take, the more involved it is going to be. Look, on average, probably all of that said, you've got some cases that go short, you've got your cases that go long. You're probably looking at a resolution of a car accident case, maybe, sometime between 12 and 18 months, maybe a little bit, maybe 9 months. That's generally how long it's going to take. If there needs to be litigation, it could be longer. There could be a whole variety of reasons why it could be 3, 4 months. Every case, it depends, which is why you should talk to an experienced car accident or personal injury attorney about your specific case, and they should be able to give you some time frames based upon those factors, or do some quick investigation and just a few weeks or months into the representation, give you some timelines as to what they think your case is going to take. So every case is sort of unique. I don't, in hiring a lawyer, doesn't delay things, or it shouldn't in fact expedite the speed of which your case is doing, because they should have processes and systems and teams that can do the work quickly and get the insurance company the information that they need to adequately present your claim. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call, 860-471-8333. I'm happy to help you listen to what you have to say.